For pedestrian accidents in Orlando, people tend to be in a very frantic emotional state. And the reason is anytime you're hit by a vehicle, your injuries are going to be quite severe. We find that most clients are just in a highly stressful state, worried about how they're going to pay their bills, if they're going to be able to work, go to school, and do the things that they normally do. We assist our clients in every step of the way when they're in a pedestrian accident in Orlando. Specifically, we give them the knowledge so that they understand what the process is from the time that they've retained us all the way through to the end. There's many mistakes people should avoid when they've been involved in a pedestrian accident in Florida. Primarily is talking to the insurance company. Many times when it's a vehicle against a pedestrian, the insurance company will try to rush to the scene to speak to the individual and try to resolve the case right then and there. Many times the injuries can take a while to manifest, so they try to eliminate the risk for them as quickly as possible. So it's important that you don't sign anything, you don't really speak to anybody until you've been properly educated by an attorney who can explain to you your rights and who can explain to you how you're going to move the case forward. And it's very important. People make that mistake a lot where they say, well, I'd rather get it done quickly rather than drag this out. You don't know what your injuries are going to be, and you don't know your rights. So it's better for you to get a consultation. The consultation with us is free. So we can explain to you the entire process, what your rights are before you make any decisions or before you have any conversations with the insurance company. Choosing a pedestrian accident attorney is an important decision, particularly since these accidents tend to have severe consequences. It's important that you find someone that's experienced, someone that understands these types of accidents. So it's important that you find an attorney well-versed in that area of law because it has its own particularities. Many people who've been struck by a vehicle in a pedestrian accident in Orlando feel that maybe they can't afford an attorney. They're afraid that it's going to cost them an arm and a leg. Victory Law Firm doesn't charge anything from the client up front. We take a percentage of whatever is recovered. So it's important that you call as quickly as possible.